YouTube, what's going on? It's Cody, and I'm going to be doing the Wobbler experiment. It calls for two books, one jar, and a yardstick, but I'm using a measuring tape because it's the same thing. So what I'm going to do is roll the empty jar down the books, measure the distance, fill it up 3/4 with the weight of water, see which one rolls further, and then use my powers of interpretation to decipher why it happened and so on and so forth. And that was a whopping 32 inches, which is 2 feet, 8 inches. Fill it up with water, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, it's filled up 3/4 of the way with water, not all the way. I'm going to place it just as I did before. Let me do a re-roll because I hit the tape that time. Third time's the charm, right? This one measures in at 27 inches, which is 2 feet and 3 inches. So to summarize, I rolled an empty jar down a set of books to see how far it would roll, and then I filled the same jar up with 3/4 of the way filled with water and rolled it down the same books, the same force, the same everything to see which would roll further. As you saw, the empty jar rolled further, and I believe it is based on or due to friction. The weight of the second jar was greater than that of the first jar, therefore resulting in more friction and less distance from the book. I believe a different surface would definitely have different results. Perhaps if it wasn't carpet, if it was cardboard or something along those lines, the weight may carry it further, depending on, once again, what surface is being used. At this point in time, for this specific experiment, the empty jar rolled further, and that is my reason why. I hope you enjoyed or learned something.